Get paid to prank people. No, for real. Get paid to prank people. You heard that correctly. This is going to be a little bit of a different sort of video. Again, I am not on camera, but you guys know what I look like. This website, Fiverr, I think I've mentioned Fiverr to you guys before. Fiverr is an awesome website for those of you who actually don't mind doing things for people, okay? And basically what I mean by that, a lot of you guys may have children that are really good at writing articles, blogs, or video animation, graphic design, different things like that. However, Fiverr actually, not only can you go on Fiverr and purchase things, I've purchased several blog articles off of Fiverr before. I also have my weight loss t-shirts that I got designed on Fiverr from a seller, okay? But not only that, you can actually come on here and become a seller. As you can see here at the top, you click on this and you can fill out the information to actually become a seller to sell whatever you want to sell, okay? But the thing about Fiverr is they have a lot of really bizarre things that people come on here and they pay for. So you can get on Fiverr, you can advertise whatever service that you're providing, and people will pay you upwards. I mean, some people pay big money for stuff, okay? But to give you an example, I'm going to go to the fun and lifestyle one, okay? Because like I said, you can legit get paid to prank people. Not only can you get paid to prank people, because again, remember, you can come over here and you can become a seller. Anybody can do this, okay? Anybody can come on here and become a seller. Whatever you're selling, you can come over here and sell it, and people are buying it. This is a very, very popular website. Again, I personally have used Fiverr for people to write some of my blog articles, okay? Now, this is going to be kind of freaky. Again, remember I told you guys this is a little bit of a different type of video. You can actually come over here. You can get a psychic reading, all of that. Some of this stuff I wouldn't mess with, okay, because I don't believe in some of this crap. But this lady right here, for example, I'm just going to give you an example. This lady says that she will make your ex go crazy about you. Now, she has packages starting at $5. Some of these people have their things starting at $30. You can set it to whatever you want to set it at. Just remember, whatever you're offering people, if your price is too high, you might have some people that may not click on it, okay? Hers are starting at $5. As you can see, she has 322 people that purchased this from her, and she has a 4.9 rating, which means I don't know what she did, but she's gotten some good reviews. So I'm just going to click on it and see what she's talking about. Or I'm assuming this is a she, okay? Anyway, she said that I possess the unique ability to project telepathic messages into the minds of other people. Again, I don't mess around with this freaky deaky type of stuff like this. Again, this is a different type of video, and I'm literally showing you that you can come over here and you can advertise that you will prank call somebody and people will pay you to do that, okay? So she said this ability can be used to great effect to influence the feelings of any person in the world. Like I said, I don't mess around with this stuff. But she said for $5, she will focus on your ex and send them a message for a day that will make them think about you in a positive way. For significant impact, it is recommended that you at least go for a week or longer messaging. For multiple messages and a greater messaging impact, please see my gig extras. So they also have extras where you can upsell, okay? For example, she has $5 where she'll do that. She'll have them to focus on you in a positive way. Or she'll send them 100 messages for a day for the next week for $25. Now, how this lady does this, I don't know. Again, she says it's telepathic, okay? So I guess through mind, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, that's just one example, okay? But I'm going to type in pranks because remember, I told you guys that you can actually come on here and advertise to be a prank caller or whatever. Okay, to give you an example, this person right here says, I'll do any crazy, do any challenge, prank, or video. So this person is charging $10 to do pranks, okay? This guy says he'll do any challenge, prank, or embarrassing act for $5, okay? And I'm pretty sure he probably has upsells as well. This person, I'll do any challenge or prank, and she's an older lady, looks like, not older, but she's a lady, looks like maybe in her early 40s. And this lady said, I will do any fun pranks for you, starting at $5. This person, I'll prank call anyone with anything you choose, USA only. And they had 30 people that paid them to do this. Okay, I'm going to just click on this one. Okay, this person said, do you want to prank your friends and family or possibly an enemy or business that didn't meet your expectations? I will make that happen for you. You choose the content. Extras available. I will attempt to call the victim 8 times, and if they do not answer, I cannot refund you. But I can give you credit for another call for another victim. Okay, so people are actually getting paid to do this stuff. Again, this is just the crazy side of it. All right, but to give you another example, I'm going to go back to the lifestyle one, and let me go back. Okay, this is relationships and advice. You have people that have spiritual healing. So if you're a person who, likes to pray for people, different things like that, you can come over here and you can offer that service. For example, this lady right here, she will draw spirits with you and give you a psychic medium. This person, I will give you 100 motivational videos, tracks, ebooks. Let's see. This person, I will cast a love spell. Think of me nonstop with attraction. Like I said, I don't mess around with this stuff, but hey, some people, I'm not judging nobody that does. All right. Celebrity impersonators, you have those. You have people that'll make viral videos for you. Family and genealogy. Online lessons. Let's see what that's all about. This person will design a canvas. So if you want to get you a canvas design so you can take it to the store and get it printed for you, like if you want a picture or something, this person will do that. So if you have any type of experience doing any of this stuff, or even blogs and writing. So if you're really good with writing or whatever, blog posts, like I said, I've came on here and I've actually purchased blog posts before. Like this guy, for example, he'll write you a 500-word article or a blog post for $150. You have some people that only charge $5. Like her, for example, this young lady, she'll be your blog content writer starting at $5, okay? And some of these people charge big money, all right? This is just some of them, but I just wanted to come and share that with you guys, that you can legit come on here and you can be a pranker if you want to, and you can make money. All you have to do is come over here, click on Become a Seller, and click here, and you can fill out all of your information here, and then they'll, review it and approve you. But it's so many people over here that are making money. Like I said, I myself personally have used Fiverr to design my weight loss t-shirts, and I've also used it for blog posts and different things like that. So I just wanted to come and share that with you guys. I think it's really interesting and fun. Again, I'm not judging anybody if you're using the telepathic thing and the people to send do spells on people. If that's your gig, that's your gig. I just wanted to come and share that with you guys. Check out Fiverr. It's free to go over there and sign up. Of course, you're going to have to pay people for the services, or if you want to become a seller, you can go and become a seller. Of course, by you using their platform, they're going to take a percentage of that money from you for becoming a seller. But I think this is a good platform. It's a great platform, especially if you want to purchase things. It's also a great platform for those of you that have services to offer. I'll see you guys in the next video.